Iran's Dalahoo kamikaze drone is shown during the second phase of the large-scale Payamber the Great Prophet 19 drill in Shavaria region, Khuzestan province, southwestern Iran, on February 19, 2025. Iran's Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, IRGC, ground force has unveiled a series of domestically developed smart missiles and combat drones in the course of an ongoing large-scale and specialized operational readiness exercise in the country's southwestern province of Khuzestan. This comes as the elite force launched the second phase of Payamber the Great Prophet 19 wargame at a combat zone in Shavaria region on Monday. Among the new homegrown military hardware unveiled on Wednesday was BM-450 ballistic missile with a range of 200 kilometers. The FAT-360 short-range satellite-guided tactical ballistic missile, FAJR-5, Dawn-5, 333 mm long-range multiple launch rocket system, MLRS, equipped with pinpoint accuracy systems, as well as guided types of 122 mm rockets were also put to test. A domestically developed and guided 122 mm rocket is shown during the second phase of the Payamber the Great Prophet 19 drill in Shavaria region, Khuzestan province, southwestern Iran, on February 19, 2025. Additionally, the Majid short-range air defense missile system, upgraded versions of Mohajer 6, Immigrant 6, and Mohajer 10 unmanned aerial vehicles plus numerous indigenous kamikaze drones, capable of carrying payloads ranging between 50 and 60 kilograms, came into service. Iran's short-range Majid air defense missile is shown during the Payamber the Great Prophet 19 drill in Shavaria region, Khuzestan province, southwestern Iran, on February 19, 2025. The cutting-edge Hadid 110 kamikaze drone, which was showcased during an exhibition of the Iranian Defense Ministry's capabilities visited by leader of the Islamic Revolution Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei earlier this month, was tested as well. The Hadid 110 drone was later renamed after Dalahoo mountain in Iran's western province of Kermanshah. The Hadid 110 represents a formidable addition to Iran's drone arsenal. Unlike conventional propeller-driven kamikaze drones, this advanced UAV is powered by a jet engine, enabling higher speeds and greater agility. It is launched from a tripod using a rocket booster, ensuring rapid deployment. Hadid 100 design boasts a cropped delta wing configuration coupled with a tapered swept vertical stabilizer, engineered with sharp edges to minimize its radar cross-section and enhance stealth capabilities. While the Ministry of Defense hasn't disclosed its specific technical details, the drone's size suggests it falls into the tactical kamikaze category, with an estimated range spanning several tens of kilometers and a warhead weighing a few kilograms, ideal for precision strikes against high-value targets. Since the Hadid 110 has only been shown from above in photos and footage, key details about its onboard cameras, sensors, or whether it features an intake beneath the fuselage remain unknown. However, a brief video clip provides valuable insights into its deployment process. The footage showcases Hadid 110 drones stored in flat wooden boxes, accompanied by a foldable metal tripod ramp and a handheld portable controller with a display. It then captures a dramatic launch sequence, culminating in the drone striking a marked target with pinpoint accuracy. With an estimated length and wingspan of around 1 meter, The Hadid 110 is approximately 35 to 40% the size of Iran's mass-produced kamikaze drones, including the Shahed 131, Shahed 136, and Shahed 238, suggesting a total mass of several dozen kilograms. Iran has already ventured into jet-powered drones, fielding models such as the Karar and Shahed Sage combat drones, the Shahed 171 reconnaissance drone, the Shahed 238 kamikaze drone, and even scaled prototypes of the ambitious QAHER 313 stealth fighter. However, the Hadid 110 stands out as the world's smallest jet-powered kamikaze drone, a significant milestone in unmanned aerial warfare. Its greatest advantage lies in its high-speed flight, reaching several hundred kilometers per hour. This, combined with its compact size and stealth-optimized design, makes it exceptionally difficult to intercept using conventional anti-drone systems.